Have you downloaded vectors from websites like Freepik or Vecteezy, which come in .eps format? And are you facing trouble importing them into Adobe Animate CC? If yes, you've come to the right place. Today, in this video, I'm going to give you the solution for this so that you can use your downloaded EPS vector in Animate CC without any trouble. So, let's get started. To demonstrate, I'm downloading this free man character from Freepik. As you can see, the download is completed. Now, double-click on this file. It will open in Illustrator, which comes with our Creative Cloud All Apps subscription plan. Next, go to the File menu and click on Save As. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Command-S on Mac or Shift-Control-S on Windows. Check the format, it should be .ai by default, and then click on Save. Click on OK. Now return to Animate CC and import the converted .ai file here. And you're done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.